Another unboxing review. This time it's Copper Black from Kenneth. This is the 3.4 fluid ounce 100 milliliter version that leaves quite the impression with its strong vanilla, spicy but serious woody smell. It is versatile, suitable for any occasion, business or casual, day or night. You can wear this every season. It really stands out during the spring and fall times. Also, this is another one I love during the winter time. It has good skin time at around 5 hours. If this lasted longer, like at around 6 or 7 hours, this would be one of my top colognes. I got love for the smell, but skin time is very important to me. That's the only issue. Overall, try it out. It's very affordable. Don't be discouraged by the high prices online. I've seen it go for, at the lowest, $15 to $20. If you enjoyed this video, like. If you have a question, comment. And of course, subscribe to see more videos like this. This is Brother Black Spider, and I'm out.